Alright, so real quick here, we just got an Apple Watch Series 3. I'm gonna open it up, see what it looks like. Little instructions on how to clip the band. Looks like the same thing inside the box. This looks to be an extra band, it looks like. I'm not sure if you need that right away or what. I don't know what this white thing is. Maybe a security device? No, charger maybe? Yep. Looks like that's your charger. It almost looked like a security device that the stores put in there for when people try and steal them. That's what I thought it was. Apparently, that's your charger. So you got the charger, extra strap, and in this box you got the watch. Bunch of little sensors, heartbeat sensors maybe. First time with a smartwatch, I don't even know how they work yet. Let's see if we can get it to power on. It's got power. All it's gonna do. I was hoping I could show you guys the watch after it's turned on, but so far that's what you get in the box. I do believe this is the Series 3. Okay, so it's telling me low battery to continue, connect Apple Watch to its charger. So there you go. That's the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 3. It's not the most expensive one, but I'm on a budget, so I'm not trying to go broke. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're looking to get this watch, that's what you get. Pretty much what it says in the box is what you get is a watch. You do get an extra strap. It looks like it's longer, so that's why. If you guys can see that. See the one they give you, the a little longer one, so if someone's got bigger wrists, which for me, I probably won't even need it. Let's see if I can get it on here. Oh yeah, that's tiny. I'm gonna have to use the extension. So, you got a small one and a bigger one. I gotta use the longer one. I can't even put it on with the small one. I could if the holes were a little bit farther out. But that's what you get. I'll give you guys another good look at the back. I think these are like your heartbeat sensors and stuff to tell you like your heart rate, steps, and pretty slick. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. If you like more videos like this, like, subscribe. And if you're not subscribed and you're watching my videos, if you could just please subscribe. I'm trying to get more subscribers. So yeah, like, subscribe, share it on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, wherever. Have a good day, everybody.